The news that former President Joe Biden has prostate cancer, which has metastasized into his bone, was creating a wave of sympathy, of course, for him and his family, but also prompted immediately a political backlash, a political debate. The question is, when exactly did the Biden family, did he know, or his doctors know, that he has prostate cancer? Because, as many experts are pointing to, is the fact that having the stage of the cancer he is now, which is one of the highest and most aggressive forms, and it has spread to the bones, indicates that he had prostate cancer for a while. There are experts who are saying it basically takes about 5 to 7 years until this disease starts to spread and metastasize. And in all this time, it would have been very likely that this ailment would have been picked up by the so-called PSA test. That's a blood test that especially screens for prostate cancer, which of course is part of every routine medical exam, yearly exam that has been conducted. Joe Biden was under the care of a White House physician. These tests were obviously done every year. He was cared for by this doctor during his entire presidency, basically. And now the question, of course, is, was it known that there was prostate cancer during his presidency? This is one of the suspicions that Donald Trump Jr., the son of Donald Trump, of course, was formulating on X in social media posts. He basically said, why did Dr. Chill not pick this up, that this is going on so long? And he quoted some of the experts stating that it's very unusual that this has not been detected earlier. The whole debate, of course, is along partisan lines. Many of the Trump supporters are basically crying foul and saying that this is another example of a cover-up about Joe Biden's health. Of course, Democrats and supporters of Joe Biden are stating that maybe this was just an oversight that has happened without any nefarious background. Of course, it all fits somehow in the picture painted in the last days by some very explosive books that describe the mental and physical decline of Joe Biden during his presidency, as he was caught on camera many times of stumbling and forgetting things. And then, of course, the authors of these books are maintaining this was all kind of covered up by his White House staff to make Joe Biden look healthy and vigorous.